Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about removing the activation lock from an Apple Watch and fixing connectivity issues with a new iPhone. So let's get started. Firstly, go to any web browser and type down appleid.apple.com, which is the official Apple ID management portal where users can access and manage their Apple ID or any account settings. So after you go on it, simply sign into your Apple ID account using your Apple ID email address and password. Then once you're inside the appleid.apple.com, you will get to see the arrow option available in the top right corner. You can see the arrow option right next to the sign out button icon. So once you log in, simply tap on that arrow option and you will get to see devices option available there. Tap on the devices. So if you have any devices connected with your Apple ID, then it will be shown here. So as you can see, I don't have any Apple Watch, but if you have any Apple Watch, then it will be connected here. So to remove it from your account, simply tap on your Apple Watch and scroll down and tap on the remove from this account option available there. As I have shown on my MacBook, you can see there is an option of remove from this account. Then simply tap on it and it will be removed. By following these steps, you should be able to remove the activation lock from your Apple Watch and fix any connectivity issues when pairing it with a new iPhone. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.